I'm making bread pudding in Instant Pot. I got my Instant Pot from Amazon. Please check out my Amazon storefront. Link is in YouTube bio. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups half and half. Then add half cup cane white sugar and brown cane sugar. Add 3 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Stir well to mix. Take 2 cups of bread cubes and pour mixture over it. Add cinnamon as you desire. And mix. Grease the inner pot. Add bread mixture to it and 1/4 cup raisins. Close the lid and turn the valve in sealing position. Turn steam on for 30 minutes, pressure none, and keep warm on. After 30 minutes, switch off, open the lid. It's ready. Enjoy!